Welcome to Amazing World YouTube channel. Today let's talk about solar system. The solar system consists of a central star and the bodies that orbit it. These bodies include 8 planets and their more than 160 non-moons, dwarf planets, Kuiper belt objects, asteroids and meteoroids. The solar system also consists of interplanetary gas and dust. The planets fall in two groups. Four small rocky planets near the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and other four planets further the Sun, the giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Between the rocky planets and giant is the asteroid belts, which contains thousands of chunks of rocks orbiting the Sun. Most of the bodies in the planetary part of the solar system move around the Sun in elliptical orbits located in a thin disk around Sun's equator. All the planets orbit the Sun in the same direction. Now let's talk about each and every planet. Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of solar system. The Sun is a yellow main sequence star about 1.4 million kilometers in diameter. It consists almost entirely of hydrogen and helium. The core of the Sun is hydrogen is converted to helium by nuclear fusion. The energy travels from the core through the radiative zones to the photosphere, where it leaves the Sun in the form of heat and light. Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun, orbiting at an average distance of about 58 million kilometers. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It moves faster than any other planets, traveling at an average speed of nearly 48 km per second and completing an orbit in just 88 days. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. The mass of Mercury is 0.06 Earth mass. Diameter of Mercury is 4878 km at an year of 87.97 Earth days. Venus. Venus is a rocky planet and the second planet from the Sun. Venus, causing its rotational period to be the longest in the solar system at about 243 Earth days. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system, with the diameter of 12,103 km. An year is 224.7 Earth days, with the mass of 0.81 Earth mass. Earth. The Earth is the third of the 8 planets that orbit the Sun. It is an rocky planet and the only one known to support life. About 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. The Earth has one natural satellite called the Moon, which is formed when a huge asteroid impacted Earth in the distant past. An year in the Earth is 365.26 days. The diameter of Earth is 12,756 km. Mars. Mars is known as the Red Planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the outermost rocky planet, with the mass of 0.11 Earth mass, with the diameter 6,786 km. at an year in a Mars is 1.88 Earth years. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the innermost of the four giant planets. It is the largest planet in the solar system. The mass of Jupiter is about 2.5 times the combined mass of the seven other planets. It is 317.83 Earth mass. Diameter of the Jupiter is 1,42,984 kilometers. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is a gas giant almost as big as Jupiter, the second largest planet in the solar system, with the equatorial diameter 1,20,500 km, with a mass of 95.16 Earth mass. An year in the Saturn is 29.66 Earth years. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and the third largest, with a diameter of about 51,118 km at an mass of 14.54 Earth mass, with the year of 84.13 Earth years. Neptune is the furthest planet from the Sun at an average distance of about 4,500 million km. Neptune is the smallest of the giant planets at the diameter of 49,528 km. The mass of Neptune is 17.14 Earth mass, with the year is 164.70 Earth years. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.